Hey guys, Shai with you. Just doing a quick screen recording for a feature in the options table. You're looking at the market profile charts of the 17 PE and the 17100 CE. First and foremost, how do I get this? Let's navigate to the options table. Okay, and in the options table, what I need to do is if I need to push a straddle, then the straddle is automatically over here. But in case, okay, it's a strangle, then I need to pick up of these rectangular boxes, right? So now I'm looking at the 17,100 CE. So I'll click this 17,100 CE here, and I'm looking at the 17,000 PE. So I'll click this box over here. As soon as I do that, this blue horizontal will open up over here, right? Now, if you click on this, you get the market profile chart opened. Right now, this is the 17,000 PE, 17,100 CE opening up, and as you can see, it's opened up in the singles over here and navigating it. So that makes it very good for us, okay, to write an option. Though I'm not really expecting a huge reward out of this, because this is just auctioning these singles over here and likely to stay over here. Having said that, the discussion over here is how do we extract information from this feature in the future. So what I'll do is, this is market profile, it's telling me something that it's auctioning over here. I'll also look at what the market is doing with this information. So I click on this arrow over here. Now I get a line chart, and if I navigate to that line chart, I can choose a number of days. I want to focus on what the market is doing today. Okay, so this is a line chart which gives me some important information. We stripped out all the other things, okay, which are not required. This is the price chart, and there are only a couple of things over here. Okay, so the green is the VWAP, and the pink one, the horizontal bar, okay, going right across the screen, is your VPOC. So you can find that, okay, over here. You click this, okay, you can activate it. If you don't want the VWAP, you can take it out, but I suggest, okay, that you keep it. You have this blue line, okay, in open interest. Okay, so now when it's ascending like this, it's showing you that open interest is coming into the strikes we have chosen, which at the moment is 17,000 PE and 17,100 CE. I want you to also look at this pane below, which is a proprietary tool which we've developed and gives you OI spikes. Now this is per bar data. So whatever happened over here, if this keeps going up in green and you see a sequence of greens over here, that means it tells you that there is open interest coming in every single bar. So if you are a writer, you would like to see these greens coming continuously, consecutively, and this in blue as a result is net added up. So all these bars added up, okay, will go up in this blue, and this open interest picture will keep rising. This blue will keep rising net against daily against per bar data. So the per bar data tells you something, and the net, okay, tells you something. Together, this green and this blue will tell you that the open interest in this particular setup, 17,000 PE, 17,100 CE, is rising. That means there are writers coming into this position, both 17,100 PE and 17,100 CE. So I hope, okay, you find this useful. Any questions, okay, please direct it to us at charts@vtrender.com.